Okay, in my testing of fakes, we have our first one. If you see the video where I got all of these from China, I do an unboxing and show you all the different things that I got. This particular coin costs $3.73, but upon examining it closer, there's no date, there's no nothing. This is kind of a replica one. All right. I believe older design. So I kind of screwed up on that. It wasn't an exact copy of something out there, 1 ounce gold. And it does says 37.5 GR, and I believe it's written on there pure silver in Spanish. So let's start the testing. We already know that something's wrong with the coin just by looking at it. But I got fooled when I ordered it. I thought it was a copy of a 1 ounce Libertad. So let's start our first test. The flea market teller. You see this and that and go, okay, take the magnet. And all of these fakes come in an airtight or some kind of container where you can't feel or touch the coin. That's part of the con. So let's see. Oh yeah. So we failed the first test. Let's go on now to measurements. Alright, so I got this thing out of the airtight, and looking at it, if you're not used to handling gold coins, you can tell this thing is kind of not. It doesn't appear to be a gold coin to me, but, and again, you can never tell. So, as far as using one of these little checkers, I don't have one for this particular coin, so we're going to revert to our calipers. Now, what it should be is 34.5 millimeters in diameter. And this thing is 39.86 in diameter. So the diameter is way off for a gold coin of this type. And 2.5 millimeters thick. Try to get a reading across it this way. And it's 2.77. Again, too thick. If I did have something like this, this coin would not fit in it. Okay? So now, the only thing we got left is the weight. So we failed size, we failed all of that. Hopefully you can see the reading. It is in grams. And this should be, a 1 ounce coin should be 31.1 grams. 24.06. So this is way underweight. Okay? It's magnetic, it's the wrong size, and it's way the hell too light to be a 1 ounce coin. Which that doesn't say. Then actually there's no date, nothing on this. So this coin obviously is a fake and a very bad one. Okay, but just to show you somebody trying to fake a 1 ounce coin, this thing failed all 3 tests. I ain't even going to bother trying to ping it because I don't know if I have that software on my phone. Alright, so that's 1 down. Again, I paid to have this shipped from China, $3.07, so $4. Okay? And if you get lucky and catch somebody $4 on a con, I've heard people try conning people getting, because gold's $2,000 an ounce. So even if you get somebody to pay you $1,000 for a $4 investment, now you see why. But this one here is probably the worst example I got. Very phony, very fake, no date, no nothing. So yeah, that was an easy one. All right, 1 down, we're going to the next one.